Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film my very first client tutorial. So a massive thank you to my sister who did a wonderful job modeling for me. Hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, it's so important to always make sure your hands are sanitized and clean before you start with any client. Then I like to pin back my client's hair, get it out of their face. Then we start with toner. I use the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. And then I'll hydrate the skin with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Time for eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I used the Napoleon Purtis eyebrow pencil, and the shade I used is Pale Rider. Now I'll go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in the shade medium brown, and this is just to fill in any sparse areas. Then I'll clean up and really define the brow with some concealer. And then we'll brush up the brows using the Ardell Clear Brow Gel. For my eyeshadow base, I used the P. Louise in the shade 3. For eyeshadow, we used the Kylie Cosmetics The Summer Palette, and the first shade I'm using is Aquaholic for the transition shade. Then we're going in with the shade Blazing, and this is for my crease. To smoke out the outer V of the eye, we're using the shade Always In, which is a really nice black. For the lids, I used the shade Summer. Now I like to use a makeup wipe to just clean up any fallout. For eyeliner, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear eyeliner in black. For lashes, I use the brand Royal Lashes in the style Champagne. Now I like to give them a curl, make sure they're really lifted, and then I'll go over the lash line again with the black eyeliner, making sure that there's no lash glue, and then I'll diffuse the line using the black eyeshadow. For eye cream, I'm using the Mecca Cosmetica Hydrating Eye Cream. Love this stuff. And then I'll use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base to prime the skin. For foundation, we are using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear, and we use the shade Barcelona. For concealer, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I use the shade Custard. I'll use that under the eye and to also highlight the face. To set the concealer in place, I use the RCMA No Color Powder. And then to set the entire face, I will use the Inglot Press Powder in the shade 51. Now for the waterline, I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeliner in black. Now I'll lightly smoke out the lash line using the shade Blazing, and then a coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Island Ting. We're going in again with the RCMA No Color Powder to bake the skin. And then we are going to highlight the skin using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt in Hustler Baby. blush, I'm using the Benefit Gold Rush, and then I'm going to spritz the face with some MAC Fix Plus. This gets rid of any powderiness. For lips, the lip liner I used is the Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon. And then for lipstick, we used ColourPop Lippy Stick in Sure Thing. And I topped that up with a beautiful Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss. It's the High Gloss in the shade Diva. To set the makeup in place, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I always like to gloss my clients' chest and décolletage with the Sol de Janeiro Eye Panama Sunset Glow. And that's the final look, guys. I hope you liked my very first client tutorial. Please let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.